Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for all the Canva users out there. We will be learning about how to remove a person from an image using the Canva. That means now we don't need to use Photoshop anymore to remove or to edit an image. We can remove object or person with just couple of clicks in Canva. So let's go step by step. First of all, we need to open Canva website. So this is our home page, and then we need to select the format for our image. So I am going to select Instagram post. You can select anything or any format. So the now next step is we need to upload our image in Canva. So for this, click on this upload, which is given on the left side here, and then click on upload file. Then choose your file and upload it here. I already uploaded my image, so let's add this one. Then set image as a background, and now I am going to remove this person from this image. For this, we have to click on this image and then click on this edit photo. So here Canva gives us so many new features. We have background remover, magic eraser, magic edit, so many filters, effects, mockers, etc. So to remove person, we need to click on this magic eraser. Now select the brush size and then start removing like this. So this is how you can remove anything from the image. It takes couple of minutes to removing. Okay, so Canva remove the person from the image in just few minutes. Now let's download it. To download, we need to click on this share button and then click on download. Select the size, select the format and download it. And now I am going to show you the another feature, magic edit. So for this I am going to add the another photo. In this I am going to remove this person and also replace this person with dog. So and if we are not satisfied with this, we can also generate new result. Oh, so this is how you can remove or edit things or a person in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful and that you will be able to utilize this technique in your own editing project. Thank you for watching and be sure to like, share and subscribe for more exciting Canva tutorial like this. Thank you for watching.